Here we go. We have a question total count. So you have given an integer array, positive integer and threshold k. For each element, divide it into the minimum number of small integer such that each dividend integer is less than or equal to k. So we need to compute the total number of these integers across all elements. So this description is a bit tricky. So what it says is we have an element k and an array. So we need to divide the element till it is not divisible, and if there is a remainder we need to consider it. So for this, if we divide 5 by 3, we have a remainder 2. So we will just stop there. We cannot divide it further. So we have two steps here. Then for 8 we can divide it with 3. So the left number is 5. So for 5, if we subtract 3, then we have 2 remaining. So that's for 8. So we have 3 steps here. So we will calculate for all elements also, for other elements also. So for 5 we have 2 steps, for 3 we have 3 steps. So at the end we need to count the steps. So that's about this question. Let's build the approach. We have this test case for 3. So for 5, if we divide it by our k element, we have 1, because 1, this one is the quotient, and if we find our remainder will be 2. So there is one extra number. For 8, for 8 8 by 3, it will give us 2. So because 3 plus 3 is 6, then we have some remainder also. So uh, here it is, 2. Then 8 modular 3, it will give us 2. So we have some remainder also. So here also we have some remainder. For 10, 10 divided 3 is 3. 3 is the quotient. 3 is the quotient. And 3, if we find our remainder, yes, we have a remainder. So if there's a remainder, we need to consider one extra step, else we need to just consider the quotient. So here we have 1 plus 1 for this remainder. Then we have 2 and 1 for this remainder. Then we have 3 is the quotient, and 1 for this remainder. Same for 13. 13 divided 3 is 4. So 4 and 1 for remainder, because 13 divided 3, if we find our remainder is 1. So after adding all this, the answer is 15. So that's about this question. Let's code this. Sorry, the total is 14, my mistake. So first we have answer, then we just need to iterate and add it into our answer. We need to find the quotient, and if there's a remainder, we need to consider 1, else we will consider 0. And at the end, just return our answer. This is pretty easy question. Let's give it a try. The time complexity for this question is order of n, and space complexity is constant. Thank you all for watching.